How to see comments on X. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to see the comments on X, simply first of all launch the X Twitter application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on X Twitter, simply what you need to do is you can go for any of the profiles over here. So for example, on the screen you can see there's a post. Now if you want to see the comments, you can simply see the comments icon over here. So tap on comments icon and here you'll be able to see different comments. So let's just go here over now. So here you can simply see the repost, you can see all the comment sections and everything. So let's see if we have any comments, and here you get to generally just comment your post. Now if you want to see the comments on your post, go to your profile. So let's just go to our profile over here on the top left corner, select on profile and then tap on the post over here, and let's just scroll down. We can see there's no comments right now over here, but generally we get to tap on this comment icon at the bottom left corner, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.